Are you getting errors in your Facebook Marketplace and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to come into our Facebook app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Facebook app right here. So what I'm going to do firstly is to actually locate where it says menu. So click on menu, and for me it is in the bottom right corner, but for you it's going to be in the top right corner instead, just so you know. So just click on menu, because then you should be taken to this page right here. Now, to be able to fix errors when it comes to Facebook Marketplace, then we're just going to scroll down in here, and then we're going to click on help and support. So click on help and support. Now click on reports a problem. Once again, click on report a problem, click on include in report, and as you can see, we're now taken here. Now we're going to scroll down, and then it's very important that you actually choose Marketplace in here. The reason why you need to choose Marketplace is because in here we're actually able to contact the specific support that actually knows about Marketplace or specialize in Marketplace. So we're going to write like this: I'm getting error in my Facebook Marketplace. I need this to be fixed. It's very important for my Facebook user experience. So basically write like this to them now: I'm getting error in my Facebook Marketplace. I need this to be fixed. It's very important for my Facebook user experience. Now click on send in the top right corner. Now you might wonder, what do I have to do after this? And that's a great question. Now you need to wait 24 to 48 hours for the Facebook support to see this. And hopefully after they have seen this, then this should be fixed for you. So this is basically exactly how to fix this issue.